So, in today's class, during our reading period, you took a quiz on vocabulary.com. These quizzes are with your Unit 2 vocabulary word, and you find it by going to, so you find it by going to your assignments and activities section. So, if you're following along on the screen, it's right here. And then once it loads up, go to assignments to complete and your quiz is posted in this section. So make sure that you go to the one that says Unit 2 and it has quiz in the description. So that's what we did for reading. For math, were your station work. So in Google Classroom, I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Classroom now. So in your small group, you should have assignments posted that are still pending. So this includes Freckle. So in your individual small group, either Chicago, Miami, or New York, you have an assignment. So in Miami and New York, there is base 10 operations, and that is done on Freckle. Inside of your math group, go to the instructions. It has your code and the link. So here's the link to base 10 operations, and then your unique class code is on the stream. So Miami has one that's different than the other groups. So make sure that you're looking at your group's code. So Miami, New York, Chicago. Chicago does not have this assignment this week. But Miami and New York, you have an assignment posted on Freckle. And then in your small groups, we did review of multiplying with mixed numbers. And then in uh, Chicago, we did graphing on a coordinate plane. And if your group is in New York, then you are doing dividing with decimals, and we'll do more dividing with fractions rather, and we'll do more practice with that. So those were the activities for math. In science, we looked at the virtual classroom. So let me go to Fantastic Fifth Grade Virtual Classroom. Remember, you can find this inside of our Fantastic Fifth Grade Google Classroom page. And once it loads up, you are to go to Amplify, so the A on the bookcase. Once you click on that and it loads up, we actually did a read aloud with one of the books in the series, How Big, How Far. Um, so let's go to that right now. I'm going to go ahead and put that inside of this browser and go ahead to it. Once your student apps page loads up, it will ask you to sign in. Go ahead and sign in with Google. Click Patterns of Earth and Sky, and then go to How big, how far is far. This is the portion that we read in class. So we read um, up to page 8. So go ahead and look through that on your own. And it may take some time to load up, so just be patient with it. And that's what we did today before lunchtime. So look at those activities. If you have questions, definitely stop in during office hours today. Okay?